Hello, Kelly Kennedy here, and I want to talk to you about my Flow Level 1 and Level 2 class. I teach this only to practitioners that have the ability to touch the body. I'm looking for body workers that want to learn Level 5 flow eventually, and starting with Level 1, Level 2, which is really about how to open up the system, how to get the body into receivership. And we all, as body workers, have learned to work sometimes very hard on clients, to work physically very hard. And what I would entice you to understand is to work energetically easier, physically easier, and making bigger transformations by applying the flow technique. Flow technique is the brand, essentially, of the body work that I have created over 26 years in working in bioregulatory medicine, and is addressing the blockades to healing, as well as upregulating that autonomic nervous system, that innate and wisdom within that helps us heal, is the only thing I would contend that does heal in the body. And this Flow Level 1, Level 2 class is allowing body workers to not only experience it, but learn it so that when they go back to their clinics, wherever they are, as they put their hands on, they have a different framework and a different outcome, not being attached to it, but a different outcome for their clients to truly create a transformational experience, not just transactional. And I've taught this class a couple times now. So look at the testimonials of the practitioners that have joined us and what it's done for them, both at the actual training as well as in their practices. And know if this is calling to you, that it is a very intimate class. Be ready, willing, and able to open up your heart, your mind, your body in front of this very intimate group. There'll be actually 6 here because 2 of my teammates will be with me. And we are going to have a phenomenal weekend of getting to know each other well, helping you transform your life so you can help transform others, because this is all about us finding our light so we can help others find their light. I'm Kelly Kennedy, and I look forward to helping you with Flow Level 1 and 2 so you can create transformational opportunities at your clinical practice like we do here at True Wellness. Thank you. See you soon.